As it is said, we reap what we sow. Killings and discrimination are becoming institutionalized in Burundi, and whoever believes that misfortune only happens to others would be mistaken. The Mouvement INAMAHORO is deeply concerned by the killings and other forms of violence daily targeting Burundian citizens in a country where peace is said to reign everywhere in all cities and villages. Since the 2015 crisis, about one person is killed every night. The country's authorities continue to order killing of the political opponents and those who are not of the same ethnic group. From 2015, surveys have reported 2,245 people killed, including 255 women and 555 victims of forced disappearance. The report of the human rights organization Ligue ITEKA also emphasizes a continuous exclusion of people of the Tutsi ethnic group from all the institutions of the country. The perpetrators and sponsors of those killings and discriminatory measures are the current leaders and decision makers in all sectors of national life. And as we reap what we sow, the fruit that Burundi is reaping today is hate and division speeches and teachings, very contradictory official statements and reality on the ground, strong manipulation of facts and truth. The Mouvement INAMAHORO calls upon the government leaders who call themselves Leta MVYEYI to translate this parenthood in action. Indeed, there is no parent who would not mourn the loss of his or her child, or who would show preference to one child against the others. Let the Burundians themselves qualify the government as Leta MVYEYI the day they will see that it is responsibly assuming the duties assigned to it, which include specifically to ensure unity and peace among all Burundian citizens. We also call upon our sisters leaders from grassroots to the highest decision-making level, particularly in this month of March dedicated to women, to join us so that together, starting in our own families and communities, we bring back on a good path all those who decided to engage into divisions and violence. Let us always keep in mind that we will reap what we sow.